Ready? Once again, no flashlights. Okay, please turn off your flashlights. Hi. You want to say hello? Hello. Wow, that's a very sweet hello. Okay, introduce yourself. Tell everyone here your name. Amigo. You heard that? His name is Amigo. We'll do this one more time, okay? What's your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Amigo. There's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? That is asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? That's very nice to hear. Now Amigo here, he is quite smart. Okay, he can count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect! I know who is this. Ladies and gentlemen, this bird right beside me, his name is Big John. Okay? Big John is a sulfur-crested cockatoo, and he is the veteran of the bird show. He's over 50 years old. That's right, 50. Are you angry with me telling them your age? Yes? How about you say hello? No. Hello? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to go back home already? We'll do this one more time, okay? Hello? No. Hello? Oh, you got that? Are you coughing? Let me cough one more time. Cough. Cough. Oh, wow. He coughs like us. Okay. Since you don't want to say hello, how about you show them how you laugh? How do you laugh? Hi. You really want to go back home? Like what I said, Big John, he's over 50 years old. And over the years, he has only picked up 5 mimics, okay? Which is the hello, the laugh, the mimic of the chicken, the cough, and bye-bye. And one thing about these birds is they can scream their heads off, like what you just heard. He didn't even need the use of a microphone, okay? That is how loud these birds can get. And these loud screams will disrupt your sleep as well as your neighbors, okay? Do you think they make such good pets? No, right? Okay, Big John, if you want to remain on stage, you have to remain silent. So we cannot get distracted and Amigo can concentrate, okay? Thank you. Okay, now you've heard Amigo count in English. Let's hear Amigo count. I tell you, I cannot continue the show with him screaming so loud like that. Even I'm getting distracted. Big John, I think it's time for you to go back home, okay? Can we all wave and say bye-bye, Big John? Can we say bye-bye? Bye-bye? Bye-bye?